Welcome to Nature Tales TV. Explore the amazing world of wildlife and nature with us. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell to stay updated. Let's dive into the adventure. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of lions, the majestic creatures known as the kings of the jungle. Lions are a symbol of strength, authority, and resilience in the natural world. They not only captivate us with their regal appearance, but also play an essential role in the ecosystem and hold significant cultural value. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and if you find this content engaging and informative, please like and share to spread the love for wildlife to more people. Lions, Panthera leo, are among the big cats. Primarily found in Africa and a small region of India, they are one of the few social species in the cat family, known for their unique pride-based living structure. A lion pride typically consists of 10 to 15 members, though it can be larger depending on environmental conditions and food availability. Each pride is led by one or two dominant males, accompanied by several lionesses and cubs. Every member of the pride plays a vital role in maintaining stability and ensuring survival. Lions are known for their impressive size and commanding presence. Male lions usually weigh between 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are smaller, weighing around 120 to 180 kilograms. Their body length ranges from 2 to 3 meters, including the tail. The most distinguishing feature of male lions is their thick mane, which varies in color from light blonde to dark black. This not only enhances their majestic appearance, but also serves as protection during fights. Their tails end with a tuft of black fur, making them easy to recognize. Lions primarily inhabit grasslands, savannas, and deserts in Africa, with a small population residing in the Gir Forest Sanctuary in India. These habitats provide the necessary prey and space for lions to thrive. They usually live in large territories, which can span hundreds of square kilometers. These territories are marked and fiercely defended by dominant males. A lion's iconic roar, which can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, serves as a tool for communication, summoning pride members, and warning intruders. As apex predators, lions sit at the top of the food chain, feeding mainly on large herbivores such as antelopes, zebras, buffaloes, and even giraffes. Lionesses are the primary hunters in a pride, showcasing exceptional coordination and strategy during hunts. They often stalk prey for extended periods before launching a calculated attack. Despite their skill, their hunting success rate is relatively low, averaging around 20 to 30%. While male lions rarely participate in hunts, they play a critical role in defending the pride and its resources. Battles between rival males for pride dominance are intense and often violent. The victorious male takes over the pride, while the defeated one is forced to live alone or attempt to form a new pride. In the ecosystem, lions are crucial for maintaining natural balance. By controlling herbivore populations, they prevent overgrazing and protect the vegetation and environment. Without lions, herbivore populations could surge, leading to habitat destruction and ecological degradation. However, lion populations are in sharp decline today. From approximately 200,000 individuals in the last century, fewer than 20,000 lions remain in the wild. The primary threats include habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, illegal hunting, and climate change. Grasslands, once ideal habitats for lions, are increasingly being converted into agricultural land or urban developments. Beyond their ecological importance, lions hold a profound cultural significance. They have long been symbols of strength, courage, and authority, appearing in myths, legends, national emblems, and art across various cultures. Today, lions also symbolize wildlife conservation efforts, representing the fight to protect nature's most majestic creatures. Conserving lions is a challenging task, but significant efforts are underway by global conservation organizations. Protected areas have been established, alongside community education programs aimed at raising awareness about the importance of lions in ecosystems. Anti-poaching laws and initiatives to preserve natural habitats are also being enforced in many countries. The existence of lions serves as a reminder of humanity's responsibility to protect nature. By raising awareness and participating in conservation activities, we can contribute to ensuring that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore lions, a symbol of strength and majesty in the natural world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and share this video to spread valuable knowledge about wildlife. See you in the next video as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world. Thank you for watching Nature Tales TV. We hope you enjoyed the journey and discovered something new about nature. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share with your friends to spread the love for wildlife. Your support inspires us to create more exciting content. See you in the next video.